Have you ever been 10,000 meters below sea level? Imagine a world cloaked in perpetual darkness, where the temperature is frigid and the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at the surface. This is the deep sea, an environment as extreme as any on Earth. And yet, it is teeming with life. From the ghostly white fish that have never seen the light of day, to the spectacularly luminescent squid that light up the inky blackness, the creatures of the deep sea are as diverse as they are fascinating. Let's explore what kind of life can be found 10,000 meters below sea level in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Despite its harsh conditions, the deep sea is a hotspot of biological diversity. Creatures here have adapted in remarkable ways to survive in an environment that seems inhospitable to life. To the deep into the unknown and fascinating world beneath the waves, we go. The Pacific Ocean, the world's largest and deepest, is home to a plethora of life forms that thrive in its depths. Despite the seemingly inhospitable conditions, life has found a way to not just survive, but to flourish in this underwater realm. Consider the fangtooth fish, a creature so named for its long, sharp teeth. This fish, with its oversized mouth and ghastly appearance, is one of the deepest living fish species known to man, capable of residing at a staggering depth of 5,000 meters. Living in such an environment, where the pressure is 100 times that of the surface, may seem impossible. But the fangtooth fish has adapted to these harsh conditions by developing a body that can withstand the immense pressure. The giant squid, another inhabitant of the Pacific's deep sea, is a creature of myth and legend. This elusive beast, with its large eyes and long tentacles, is capable of reaching a length of up to 13 meters, making it one of the largest known invertebrates. These squid live at depths of up to 1,000 meters, in an environment where light is scarce. To navigate this darkness, they have evolved the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, allowing them to detect even the faintest glimmers of light. Then there are the bioluminescent creatures, the living lights of the deep sea. Among them are the anglerfish and the viperfish, both equipped with their own natural flashlights. The anglerfish, in particular, has a modified dorsal spine that protrudes above its mouth, acting like a fishing rod with a luminous lure at the end. This light, produced by symbiotic bacteria, attracts unsuspecting prey towards the anglerfish's gaping mouth. The viperfish, on the other hand, uses its bioluminescent capabilities in a different way. It has photophores, or light-producing organs, along its body that produce flashes of light to confuse and disorient its predators. Its long, needle-like teeth and hinged lower jaw allow it to capture and swallow prey whole. These creatures, and countless others, have adapted to life in the deep sea in remarkable ways. They have evolved to withstand the immense pressure, cope with the frigid temperatures, and navigate the pitch-black darkness. They have developed unique feeding strategies, from luring prey with light to ambushing them in the dark. The deep sea is a world of extremes, a place where the usual rules of life do not apply. Yet, life has found a way to thrive here, to adapt and evolve in ways that boggle the mind. It is a place of strange beauty, of creatures that seem to have sprung from the wildest imaginations. The Pacific's depths are a testament to life's incredible adaptability and diversity. It is a world that reminds us just how resilient and ingenious life can be, even in the face of the most extreme conditions. It is a world that continues to surprise and astound us, revealing the limitless possibilities of life on our planet. Just as in the Pacific, the Atlantic's depths are teeming with life, each creature more fascinating than the last. Let's start off with a creature that might seem like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, the goblin shark. This peculiar shark is rarely seen, as it prefers the dark, cold depths of the Atlantic, thousands of meters below the surface. Its most distinguishing feature is its elongated, flattened snout and its jaws, which can extend dramatically when capturing prey. It's a perfect example of how life in the deep sea has adapted to its challenging environment. Speaking of adaptations, let's move on to the deep sea octopus. These creatures are true wonders of the deep. Unlike their shallow water counterparts, Deep-sea octopuses are often transparent and gelatinous. Their bodies evolved to withstand the intense pressure of the deep sea. They are also bioluminescent, meaning they have the ability to produce and emit light. This not only helps them attract prey, but also ward off potential predators. Imagine the dark ocean floor suddenly lighting up with the glow of these extraordinary creatures. Now, let's journey to the Sargasso Sea, a region of the Atlantic known for its distinctive brown seaweed, or sargassum. This may not seem like the most exciting place, but it's here that we find a treasure trove of life. The seaweed provides a unique habitat for a variety of creatures. Among them are the Sargasso sea eel, which uses the seaweed as a nursery for its young, and the elusive Sargasso frogfish, a master of camouflage. But the Sargasso Sea is also home to some of the ocean's most mysterious inhabitants. Creatures such as the giant squid, which can grow up to 43 feet long, and the Bermuda petrel, a seabird that spends most of its life on the open ocean, only coming to land to breed. It's incredible to think about the diversity of life that thrives in these extreme conditions. From the goblin shark, with its nightmarish appearance, to the bioluminescent deep-sea octopus, to the mysterious creatures of the Sargasso Sea, each has developed unique adaptations to survive and thrive in the deep sea. They are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on our planet. The Atlantic's depths, much like the Pacific's, are a showcase of life's tenacity and diversity. From the creatures we know about to those yet to be discovered, each one adds a new chapter to the captivating story of life in the deep sea. So the next time you gaze out across the vast expanse of the ocean, remember, beneath the surface, in the crushing depths, life is thriving in ways that continue to astound and inspire us. The Atlantic's depths, much like the Pacific's, are a showcase of life's tenacity and diversity. While the deep sea is a world of wonder, it is not immune to the impacts of human activities. Imagine a world untouched by the sun's light, a world of eternal darkness, where life thrives against all odds. This is the deep sea, a realm that is both fascinating and fragile. However, even this remote and resilient world is under threat from human activities. One of the biggest threats to deep-sea life is pollution. From oil spills to plastic waste, our pollution has reached the furthest corners of the ocean. These pollutants can be deadly to marine life. They can suffocate, poison, and entangle the creatures of the deep, disrupting their delicate balance. Overfishing is another significant threat. With advancements in technology, fishing nets now reach the deepest parts of the ocean, capturing not just the targeted species, but also a multitude of deep-sea creatures. This indiscriminate fishing is devastating populations of deep-sea life, many of which grow slowly and reproduce infrequently, making them particularly vulnerable to overfishing. And then there is climate change. Rising ocean temperatures are altering the very fabric of life in the deep sea. Warmer waters can reduce the amount of oxygen and nutrients available to deep-sea creatures, making survival a much greater challenge. Moreover, the increased acidity of the ocean due to the absorption of carbon dioxide is affecting creatures with shells or skeletons, like corals and some types of plankton, threatening the very base of the ocean food web. But there is hope. By raising awareness, implementing stronger conservation measures, and reducing our environmental footprint, we can help protect this mysterious world beneath the waves. After all, the deep sea plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate and supporting a vast array of life. The threats are real and they are significant, but so too is our capacity for change. The deep sea is a world far removed from our everyday lives, a world that many of us will never see. Yet it is a world that we impact, a world that we need, and ultimately, a world that we must protect. The deep sea may be out of sight, but it should never be out of mind. The deep sea world, a dark, cold, and high-pressure environment, is teeming with life, demonstrating nature's incredible resilience and adaptability. The Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, despite their harsh conditions and immense depths, are home to an astounding array of creatures. From the bioluminescent anglerfish in the Pacific to the giant squid in the Atlantic, life 10,000 meters below sea level displays an astonishing variety and adaptability. These amazing creatures, surviving in conditions that would be fatal to most life forms, are a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on our planet. Yet they are also a stark reminder of the fragile balance that exists in these deep-sea ecosystems. As we've journeyed through the murky depths of the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, we've not only discovered the marvels of deep-sea life, but also understood the urgency of protecting these unique habitats. As we continue to explore these depths, we must remember our responsibility to protect these fascinating and fragile ecosystems for future generations. Did you learn something? If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to spread awareness.